What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be going over the Spyderco Para Military 2 knife. Picked this up the other day. I think it was around 150 bucks. So let's check it out. Cool little box you can see there. Colorful. Not too much on the way of boxes though. Just pictures, knives, some cancer and reproductive warnings, but that's it. There's a sleeve, and then you open that up, and inside the knife. So we got the knife in there. We have a little piece of foam on the bottom, and then we have the booklet. Paramilitary 2 family, design history and construction of materials and proper maintenance of the knife. And then it goes over the warranty on the back there. So pretty cool. The warranty, I actually don't even know, warranty of the owner. Product for life of the product. So this is a lifetime warranty on the knife. That's cool. So if it fails or the function or design, they will examine it, and if it was doomed that it was defective manufacturer, they will repair or exchange the product. So that's cool. There's that. Now we get to the knife. Pretty sweet. It's got a 3-inch blade, and it's 8 inches overall length. Does not have any flip outs or anything. It just has this little hook so you can put your thumb in there. I don't really like the way that it opens very much. Got a little pocket clip. There's a little ring here so you can put through like a carabiner or something like that. Textured pretty nicely, which I do like, so it fits nice in your hand. I don't like how it doesn't, I mean it flips out, but not the best. Not my favorite. It does have CPM S30V steel on the knife, so that's nice. Another feature that I'm not too keen on yet, I guess we'll have to see how it goes, but you unlock the knife usually on the inside. I can get another knife and show you real quick. Knives everywhere. So I have this knife here, Walmart crappy knife, whatever. But the blade opens, it locks, and then the lock is obviously on the inside right there. So you just click that open and then close it. Could be a little bit of a safety issue, I guess. You don't want the blade of the knife closing on your hand. So this one does not do that. You can see on the inside there, there's no locking mechanism. The locking mechanism is actually on the back there. So in order to unlock it, you have to put your hand like that and it'll close. I guess probably a good safety measure so that your hand's not inside when the blade's closing. I just find it a little inconvenient. That's just me. Hey, who am I, right? Pretty easy open once you get used to it. I'm used to like the flip open or the side there's a little bump. I'm not used to the circle yet, but it is pretty smooth. As you can see, if I just open it, hit the lock, it pretty much closes on its own and bounces back actually. So pretty sweet. I got a piece of paper here so you can kind of see how sharp the knife is out of the box. Paper, knife, and that's, I mean, I'll show you that. That's butter smooth right there. As you can see, that kind of cuts like nothing. So pretty sweet knife. If you guys are thinking about picking it up, I would. The only thing I don't like about it, like I said, is that, and that's just a me thing, not really a knife thing. So overall, pretty happy with this. I did just pick it up, so it's going to go in my pocket for a couple of weeks, and then, ooh, that is super sharp. Pocket for a couple of weeks, and then I'll see how I like it from there. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys next time.